Shiba Inu coin holders, welcome back here. Good morning to you, depending on where you are. By now, you've probably heard the news, right? You've probably heard the news that's kind of, filtering through everything right now. Every financial market, whether it's crypto, stocks, pretty much anything and everything. And even if you're not investing, you've probably heard the news about Iran's attacks on Israel, allegedly starting with a large number of drones. There's numbers out there like hundreds of drones yesterday shot down by various authorities, U.S. Included there. Obviously, we never want to see any of that sort of stuff happen, but it's going to impact the markets in the short term. As we talked about yesterday, I think it's just when you really zoom out, right, and see the big picture, it's just one big opportunity. It's how I like to say is let's go back to the well to our high conviction assets, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, SHIB, Doge, XRP, Solana, Cardano, whatever that is for you, right? Doubling down, I think, during these red days, if you believe in the long-term future of it, is usually the way to go, right? So a few more details on just the situation that's causing SHIB to go down. Then we'll dive into the charts a little bit, give you guys some insight there. So we had the breaking news yesterday: Iran launching attack against Israel using dozens of drones. 4 U.S. and Israeli officials broke the news at some point yesterday. Bitcoin certainly reacted. And of course, we're talking about SHIB, but Bitcoin is the granddaddy of them all, right? Everything kind of flows underneath Bitcoin. And actually, I was just looking at this before I jumped on. If you really look at this chart here, this is the 12-hour chart on Bitcoin. We were actually just here, right back in mid-March, and that was just a correction. We really had nothing macro going on. So in reality, when you look at what happened yesterday and some of the unrest that's going on around the world, we've just kind of pulled back to a support line that we were here about a month ago in March. It's often, easy to forget because this market moves so quick. I had to go back and remind myself we were just at 61,000 back around March 20th, right? So we've bounced off there for the most part so far, and actually started to reverse a little bit. We came down to 61 and some change. We're already up to about 64.5 right now. And if you zoom in a little bit on the 1 hour, you can see the momentum down was triggered on XT Algo. That's my trading indicator. Great opportunity for you to get it right now at a discount price, whether you're trading SHIB or Bitcoin or Ethereum. Best entry points and exit points using this indicator. Right here, it told you stay away from Bitcoin here with the momentum down. Same thing here on SHIB, right here on the 2 hour. It flashed right here, right around the 2.7 range. So you didn't want to buy any right there because you could have got it at a big discount when it dipped down here to the 18 level, right? And so hopefully you bought some good assets on the dip. Maybe it's SHIB, maybe it's Bitcoin, maybe it's Ethereum. Things are starting to reverse a little bit already. And when you zoom out here with SHIB, still in the last 3 months, guys, we're up 128%, right? So oftentimes we get so locked into the day-to-day, right? And we forget kind of zoom out a little bit, look at the macro. We're up 207% still in the last 6 months. We were at 505, 506, right? And when you really zoom out, this is, I think, in my opinion, kind of going to be a blip on the radar, right? Just a little opportunity to accumulate, whether it's SHIB or Ethereum, whatever it is, because everything had a pullback yesterday for sure. So in terms of the macro and the big news that's kind of impacting everything, we'll keep you up to speed on anything that breaks. I'm getting ready to get on a plane. I'm actually hanging out at Austin's place right now. There he is in the background. We're getting ready for a 15-hour flight, so we'll be on a plane for a little while. We might have Wi-Fi. Who knows? I saw a couple YouTubers making videos on the plane and things like that. So maybe we'll do that.
I bet you the people sitting next to them love that.
Right, exactly. They're probably looking at them like they're crazy.
Just so you guys know, I'm really here.
Yeah. It's not AI.
Yeah, it's not AI. Exactly.
But yeah, guys, we'll be keeping you up to speed on everything, and just hang in there. I mean, don't overreact, right, Austin? Like it's easy to kind of go freak out mode right now and sell everything. But if you remember the whole Russia-Ukraine thing, everything recovered. The markets are going to do their thing. You never want to see any of this stuff happen, obviously, but the markets do recover, especially if you're playing the long game. So appreciate you guys. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe down below. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.